Hello everyone, I'm at our Shaughnessy house in Vancouver, and I gotta tell you, I am loving the finishing touches in this home. First of all, we have a herringbone 3 1/4 inch white oak, bordered by black walnut and a 5-inch strip of white oak, all butting up to our tile. The schluter is flush, smooth, and clean. But what is really cool is with a laser, the flooring contractor, Casa Madera, was able to line up this black walnut right through 3 steps up the main floor. So that is how this house is coming along, and it's going to be fantastic. I am now upstairs with the bedroom, 2nd floor, and here you can see the herringbone is being installed. We're in process right now. Herringbone was run long. They used a track saw to cut a perfectly straight line. We encased that with the black walnut border, and now the 5-inch white oak border is going on. Details matter, and this is done really well. The finished product will be sensational.